Hello Miss, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you, everyone?
We are good. Before we start our interview, can we ask a little of your identity?
Yeah, sure. Okay, everyone, let me to introduce myself to you. My name is Indah Dimarasari. You can call me Miss Indah. I'm from Batu Raja, guys. And I'm as an English tutor at Telkomtek Batu Raja. Now, I am 30 years old. Then I am as a tutor since 2016 in Telkomtek Batu Raja. I think you have already known about the Telkomtek at Palembang, right?
Yes, Miss.
Branch of Batu Raja, guys. Gitu ya. So, can give me some question if you need a question for me.
Okay, Miss. Let us continue the question.
Yes, please.
Question number 1. How often do you eat meat or other animal or dairy products?
About the meat, I think it is occasionally, yeah. I rare to eat the meat or something like that because I don't really like it. But I'm not the vegetarian too.
Okay, and next question number 2. How often do you eat fast food or eat out?
Oh, it's very often. That's my favorite food. Fast food, junk food, very very often. It's not healthy, guys. You guys don't eat that.
Okay, question number 3, Miss. How often do you eat processed foods, like frozen foods or prepackaged food?
About that, it's rarely, yeah, because I don't really like the frozen food, except the black. But at home, I just restock that in my refrigerator. But I really rarely to eat that.
Next question. How often do you try to buy food that you know was produced or grown locally?
Locally, often. I like the food from locally, guys. Such as vegetable, yeah, at the market. Yes, sometimes every morning I went to the market to buy some vegetables. That's for consumes for me and my family.
Thank you for the time for the interview, Miss.
Sure. Thank you.
Bye bye, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Halo, Mbak.
Halo, Mbak.
Halo.
How are you, Mbak?
I'm fine.
Before we start our interview, can we ask a little of your identity?
Okay.
Your name
My name is Dian Wulandari.
and your age,
I'm 33 years old now.
and then your profession.
I'm a teacher of agriculture vocational high school.
And then next the question.
Question number 1. How often do you eat meat or other animal or dairy product?
I think several times a week.
Okay. Question number 2. How often do you eat fast food or eat out? This include the office canteen.
Fast food. Rarely.
Okay. Question number 3. How often do you eat processed food?
I think it's rarely.
Okay.
Thank you for the time.
Okay, thank you.
Bye bye. Ibu seberapa sering ibu makan daging atau produk hewani? Ya, misalnya sering atau jarang?
Jarang makan daging, palingan ini
Oh ya, jarang berarti.
jarang.
Terus pertanyaan nomor 2, seberapa sering ibu makan makanan cepat saji?
Rasanya seperti apa?
Kayak mie instan kayak itu,
ya,
burger, ya burger.
Palingan anak saya makan juga.
Kalau ibu jarang. Bapak siapa? Umurnya Kak? 58.
Iya, ini kan pertanyaan kedua ya. Beberapa kali bapak minum air kemasan. Contohnya itu kayak dari aqua atau mineral atau masak sendiri.
Sebenarnya kalau di rumah kami kan masih sendiri gitu ya. Tapi kalau umpamanya kebetulan kita keluar ya terpaksa beli air mineral. Tapi kita tuh lebih bagus beli masak sendiri terus airnya bukan air dari pam, air dari sumber.
Pas ibu kami membeli pakaian itu ibu sering namanya yang baru atau yang penting itu basic
Tidak pernah aku beli biji.
terus kalau ibu beli apa namanya itu kalau dia rusak apa ibu benerin dulu atau langsung juga dibuang atau dibuang
Kayak
tiket
Ya, iya rusak itu karena mau benerin dulu.
yo lah aku itu yo TV ku rusak. Aku dari alah rusak wae terus beli baru aku, Mbak.
Jadi pertanyaannya itu yang pertama, kalau ke sini tuh biasanya naik apa? Kendaraan pribadi atau ojek atau gimana? Pribadi. Naik motor. Iya. Untuk pertanyaan yang kedua itu, kalau misalkan kakak tuh beli pakaian, terus kakak itu bakal beli pakaian baru atau barang bekas atau kayak thrifting atau BJ kayak gitu?
Biasanya
Biasanya sih baru.
baru.
Iya.
Pertanyaan nomor 1 itu, seberapa sering ibu makan daging atau produk hewani atau lain? Halo Kak.
Hello.
How are you Kak?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
We are good.
Okay, good to hear that.
And then before we start our interview, can we ask a little of your identity?
Of course, what would you like to ask?
Your full name,
My name is Muhammad Shakir, you can call me Aziz.
your age,
I'm 20 years old.
and then your profession.
I'm currently a college student of Government Institute of Home Affairs.
Okay, let me continue the question.
Okay.
The question number 1: how often do you drink the bottled water?
Occasionally, once or twice a week.
Okay, the next question: how long do you usually take shower?
More than 15 to 20 minutes, maybe.
Okay. And then the next question: when you go out with friends, how do you usually get to your destination?
I got my own drive. I got my
Okay.
own vehicle.
Thank you for the time, Kak.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you kak.
Bye bye, Kak.
Okay.
How are you, Ra?
I'm fine. How about you?
We are good. Before we start our interview, can we ask a little of your identity, Ra?
So, my name is Fatima Zahra, and I'm a student of Sriwijaya University, majoring in English Education 2024.
Okay. Next, the question, please.
Okay. Question number 1. How often do you eat meat or other animal or dairy product? I eat meat and other animal products several times a week.
Hello, Dwi. How are you, Wi?
I'm good.
Before we start our interview, can we ask a little of your identity?
Okay, sure.
Your name, your full name,
My name is Dwi Nurjana.
your age,
I'm 19.
and then your profession.
A collegian.
Okay. Now the question, please.
Okay. Question number 1. How many motorcycle or car do members of your household have?
I have 4.
Thank you for the time, Wi.
Thank you.
See you. See you soon.
Thank you.
Question number 1. How often do you eat meat or other animals or dairy products? Never or often?
Yes, often.
Often.
How long do you usually take a shower?
More than 5 to 15 minutes.
How often do you drink bottled water?
Rarely, a couple of times a month.
Thank you.
Next, the last question. Do you grow plants based on your knowledge on its ethnobotanical characteristic?
I think no.
Okay. Thank you for your answer.
Okay, alright.
Thank you.